Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Birchbox unboxing. I've never received Birchbox before. Excuse me? I've never received Birchbox before, so I'm quite excited to see what kind of products are in there. I understand they're all kind of sample sizes and you're supposed to get like 5 products or something. I actually got this on like a buy one get one free deal, so it came with 2 months worth, so December's and January's. So it's just quite good because I get to see quite a variety of what's in there from month to month. Sorry if you can see my dog in the background. She loves to play with everything that we've got. And she's also into making noises apparently, so she's just laid here right now. So first off, I'll go through this one, which I believe is the December kind of edit. So it comes in this kind of navy pouch. So first off, it comes with this card, which is got like a discount code on it for somebody else to order. So I'll put that in the description in case anybody else wants to try and order this. And then the second thing it comes with is a leaflet describing what products they are and the RRP for the full size of each item. So from the looks of the leaflet, there's 3 full-size items and 3 mini items. So the first thing I noticed in here is a brush, and this is just called the eyeshadow brush from Birchbox. So it's a teal brush with a rose gold kind of drum. I don't think that's the right word for this bit, but it's also an angled brush. It's pretty fluffy. I'll show you a close-up of all these products as well, so I know you can't see back here, but it's quite soft. And that is one of the full-size items. You want to go out? I have a feeling she's going to be in and out like a yo-yo, so it might just be easy just to keep the door open. Yeah? I think she's confused as to who I'm talking to. So the next thing I've pulled out is some Candy Kittens, More Than Just a Pretty Taste, Wild Strawberries, and I think these are just sweets. These aren't on the label. I'm quite excited to get them. Anything that comes with sweets is always a winner in my opinion. So the next thing is this Rituals shower oil, and I'm quite excited to try this. So I'm usually a shower gel, just kind of, I don't like soap, I think it's a bit too dry on my skin, but I like shower gel. But a shower oil I think is going to be really nourishing, so I'm really excited to try this. It says it's Indian rose and sweet almond oil, so let's give this a sniff. I quite like that. It smells quite fruity to me. It doesn't really smell like rose. I'm not a massive rose scented fan. I think it's a bit too strong for me sometimes, but that's really nice. Quite excited to try that. So this is one of the miniature versions, and the full size version of this is £8.50, which in my opinion for a shower gel is quite expensive. So I'm always just kind of the £1 shower gels. Like, get yourself to B&M, get a shower gel for £1, does the job. So £8.50 is quite expensive, so I'll have to see how well this performs. The next thing is this Forgive Me Susie eyeshadow palette, and it comes with 5 different shades, and this is also a full size. The RRP of this is £9, which for 5 shades is really good. This sleek Birchbox exclusive eyeshadow palette has 5 delicate natural shades ranging from a soft metallic pink and warm honey to an everyday hazel. 100% cruelty free and vegan, the velvety soft matte metallic shimmer shadows leave you spoilt for choice and are perfect for a party season and beyond. So again, this was the one that was brought out at Christmas, so I'm assuming they meant it for like the Christmas party season. Can't get into it though. Do a quick swatchy swatch of that. Oh wow, they are super creamy. I did not expect that. So that is a quick swatch of all the shades. This pink here is just so stunning. I don't know if you can actually see the shimmer in it. Wow, like these are really good. I did not expect these to be quite so good quality, so I'm pretty impressed. So I'm looking forward to trying this out on my eye and seeing if the colour payoff is the exact same. The next thing I've picked out is this Percy & Reed Totally TLC Hydrating Mask. I love hair masks. I'm kind of going through, as I've said in a previous video, the Killigan method. So I'm trying to cut out anything with silicons and sulfates and anything that's kind of listed in there. But the RRP for this mask is £22, which, damn, that's expensive. My favourite hair masks at the moment are the Garnier Hair Foods and the Banana. That smells so good. It's, oh, amazing. So the next thing I've picked out is this Daily Concepts Multifunctional Soap Sponge Mother of Pearl. Ugh, that's a mouthful. And this is a full size item. And the RRP of this is £6, which, again, for a soap, ooh, that's quite expensive for a soap. I wonder what it does. Suitable for both face and body, this 2-in-1 soap sponge combines a radiance boosting cleanser with a gentle exfoliator so you can skip a step in your routine. Ideal for busy winter months. Wet the sponge lather up and then rinse off. The Mother of Pearl will gently purify and boost skin's texture. I don't know, £6 for a soap just seems a little bit pricey in my opinion, but we'll try it out and see if it's groundbreaking. So the final thing I have in this bag is this Brave New Care Minty Twinkle Twinkle Hair and Body Shimmer. So the RRP of this is £11.50. So the description of this is, we've always wondered what it would be like to bathe in a tub of liquid gold. and this is probably as close as we'll ever get. Formulated with castor oil to moisturise and soothe, this glistening oil blends out beautifully to add subtle shimmer to your arms, legs, décolletage and even your hair. A big night out essential. So let's have a look at this. Ooh, it's like an old school hair gel. Oh, it smells so minty. Oh, it smells like toothpaste. I'm not sure I'm a fan of that to go on my body. I want my breath to smell like mints, but not my body. Oh, it's very bronze, isn't it? Can we see a difference? I'm not sure we can. I just smell very minty now. Feels very sticky. So that is it for the December box. So we'll go ahead and unbox the March box, April box, the current month's box. So this month's box came in a pink box, and if you open it up, it comes in yet another box. So this is the March box. So I got the December and the March. So looks like, again, we have 3 full-size products and 3 miniature products. So this is what it looks like. So it just comes in a cardboard box this time and not a pouch. First thing that we see on top is this Daily Concept Exfoliating Dual Texture Scrubber. So this is one of the full-size products. RRPs at £6.95. So it's this perfect sidekick to your shower gel. This environmentally friendly soy sponge helps you customise and improve your bath time routine. Not just cute but also clever. It comes with a soft, gentle side as well as a textured side for a more thorough exfoliation. Simply wet it and body wash and scrub away the day. Again, I just... £7 for an exfoliante scrubby. Just... I don't think I'd pay £7 for scrubby. I like to use, if I'm going to exfoliate in the shower, one of them hand mitts that are £1 from B&M. Whack it all over, gives you a really good deep exfoliation. And you know, you got 7 months worth for the price of 1 month for this. So next product is another full size, and this is the Beauty Crop Wing Woman Liquid Eyeliner. RRPs for £14. So it says, just like your favourite wing woman, this eyeliner will give you the confidence you need, no matter the look if you're going for flirty flick, cat eye or simple line. The deep black formula will help you define the eyes the way you want without any fuss. Read no flaking or smudging that could throw you off, which I'm very excited about. I don't tend to buy eyeliners because I am terrible at doing eyeliner. It's a very fine pen as well, it's quite stiff. The brush tip of it is quite stiff, but it's really black. The next item is this Lumen Nordic Hydration Recovery Gel Mask. This is supposed to be like a 72-hour hydrogel mask, so I'm assuming it's going to be similar to the Clinique 72-hour Moisture Surge. And that is my like nighttime moisturiser. So it smells like hair gel. The RRP of that is £19.90, so if I do like that, there's a chance that I'll repurchase that. The next item is this Balance Me Vitamin C Repair Cream, and it says, brighten up your beauty routine with a daily dose of vitamin C in the form of this innovative serum, formulated to combat signs of aging and minimise fine lines. Also works to fade pigmentation and counteract sun damage with hydrating hyaluronic acid. Sinks in fast to brighten and firm your skin, leaving it supple and smooth with a radiant glow. I heard a lot about vitamin C creams, so I'm actually quite excited to give this a go. The RRP of this is £32, which is steep. Most of my skincare routine consists of The Ordinary, because they're like £5 and they work so freaking well. So, but I'm quite excited to give this a go, and if it does have any massive improvement to my skin, I'll probably purchase it. I do love my skincare. The final thing we have in here is a Forgive Me Susie liquid eyeshadow in the shade Love Letter. They're full size and it's RRP at £8. I've been wanting like a liquid shadow in this shade for so long, so I was so excited when this came in the post. Let's have a look. So it's just, I don't know if you can see, I don't know if you can see it shimmering. It's gorgeous. I'm really looking forward to trying this on the eyes. So overall, I think I've really enjoyed everything that I've got, so I think I will continue to subscribe to Birchbox and probably do these videos because it's quite fun to open it up on camera and see what I've got. So that is it for the March Birchbox and it for this video. So thank you guys for watching. Give it a like if you enjoyed and subscribe for more. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.